This 2021 Mazda Mazda3 Sedan is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge, Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Mazda is powered by Winnebago's front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded i4 2.5 L152 engine, and has 77,839 miles. Drive in style. Discover the 2021 Mazda 3 Sedan. Sleek, reliable, and budget-friendly. Test drive today. Here are some of the features. Serenista Surluense Serento. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.